Okay, dear question, we have another question. Like, if matrix A is equal to 3x square 1 6x and matrix B is equal to ABC, A matrix is column matrix, B is a row matrix, and C is x plus 2 whole square 5x square 2x 5x square 2x x plus 2 whole square 2x x plus 2 whole square 5x square, be three given matrices where ABC and x belongs to real number, given that trace of AB is equal to trace of C for all x belongs to real number, where TR of A denotes the trace of A. If f of x is equal to ax square plus bx plus c, then the value of f of 1 is. Okay, see, here they have given three matrices, matrix A, matrix B, matrix C. And another condition is they are saying that trace of AB is equal to trace of C. First of all, we don't know matrix AB. Product of A and B we should find. Then we find trace of AB. And that trace of AB will be equated with trace of C. What is trace of A or trace of any matrix? Trace of any matrix is nothing but sum of all the principal diagonal elements. Okay. Now when we equate these two, we'll get value of x, or else value of ABC we may obtain. So first let us find the value of ABC and we will equate in the function f of x, and then we replace the value of x by 1 so that we get f of 1. So first let me find AB matrix. So here AB is equal to A is 3x square 1 and 6x. We are finding the product of two matrices A and B, and matrix B is A, B, C. And we all know very well how to do matrix multiplication, that is multiplying row into column with the corresponding elements. So here the first matrix order is 3 by 1, second matrix order is 1 by 3, then the resultant matrix order will be 3 by 3 we will get. By multiplying 3x square with the first row, we get 3ax square. First row second column we will get 3bx square. First row third column we will get 3cx square. Now multiply second row with first column. Second row first column is A, 1 into B is B, 1 into C is C. Second row first column, second row second column, second row third column. Now we are multiplying third row first column. 6a into x is 6ax. Third row into second column, that is 6b into x. Third row into third column, 6cx. So we found matrix AB. Okay. Now I will find the trace of matrix AB, or else I will directly consider the given condition. What is the given condition? Trace of AB is equal to trace of C is given. So however matrix C is given, directly we can find trace of C. Just now only I found the value of matrix AB. So trace of AB is nothing but sum of all the principal diagonal elements. So principal diagonal elements are 3ax square, B and 6ax. So when we add all these three, we will get trace of AB. So 3ax square plus B plus 6cx is equal to, this is trace of AB, sum of all principal diagonal elements. Trace of C, sum of all the principal diagonal elements in the matrix C. So these are the principal diagonal elements. When we add these three, we get x plus 2 the whole square plus 2x plus x 5x square. Okay, now let us simplify the same. LHS will remain same. When I expand RHS by using a plus b whole square formula, we get a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into 2 is 4x plus 2x plus 5x square. So when we simplify the same, x square plus 5x square will become 6x square. 6x square. Then 4x plus 2x will become again 6x. Remaining 4 will remain same. LHS will remain same. That is 3ax square plus b plus 6cx. When we equating the like terms, coefficient of x square, what are coefficient of x square on both the sides? 3a is equal to 6. When we simplify this, 3 1s are 3 2s are. Value of a becomes 2. Okay, value of a becomes 2. Now when I compare coefficient of x terms on both the side, coefficient of x term on both the side, what are coefficient of x? 6x is equal to 6c is equal to coefficient of x. 6c is equal to 6. On both the side, 6 and 6 can be cancelled. So we obtain the value of c as a 1. And now compare the constant terms on both the side. When we compare the constant terms on both the side, constant is b is equal to 4. So directly we can say that the value of b is equal to 4. So we found the value of a, b and C. Let us substitute the values of A, B, C in the given equation. What was the given equation? In our function, we had f of x value as a ax square plus bx, ax square plus bx plus c we had. So I had considered the equation, and we have found the values of a, b, c, where a value we found it as a 2, and b value we found it as 4, and c value found it as 1. Substituting these three values in the given equation, so that we get f of x value as 2x square plus 4x plus 1 we will get. We wanted the value of f of 1. Now put x is equal to 1 to find f of 1, so that we get f of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 square plus 4 into 1 plus 1. If we simplify, 2 plus 4 plus 1 we will get. So 2 plus 4 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. So the required value of f of 1 is 7. I hope you have understood. Thank you for watching.